Rossi made the beat.
So welcome back. So today we are doing this glueless wavy really pretty wig. So cute. And y'all, yes, it is glueless. Like, look at how that just melts. And look, hold on, y'all see that? It's not down, and it's not down on this side at all either, but I don't want to mess up my little baby hairs, but y'all will see how I do it. So this hair, sorry about the background, I need to clean up my mess up in here. Okay, but this hair is from WoWEbony. This is the box, super cute. So of course the hair came in this like it always does, and then a bag, and then also inside of here they did put this little pamphlet with like other wigs inside of it, so you can like see other stuff that they offer. And what else? Also included some wig caps and also some extra elastic, but this wig actually comes with an elastic band inside of it, which has a kind of like a bra strap type thing where you can adjust it to make it tighter, and I put it pretty tight, kind of like in the middle, so that the wig can lay down really snug. Like even on the edge, like y'all can see the edge, this little part is not going to lay down unless you put something, but the way that I kind of positioned it and have the hair going, it just kind of lays in place, and you can't really tell unless you lift it up, of course. But like for this part and like across the front, even if you want a middle part, it does lay it down pretty good. The only thing you would probably have to lay is the little corners, but yeah, it looks really good. So yeah, I did go in and pluck this wig, but I think it came pre-plucked, and I know that this is like one of those HD type of wigs. I'm pretty sure it is. So let me just pull it up. This wig that I have is a 22 inch. It's a small cap and the density is 180. And I'm gonna pull it up and tell y'all the type of wig that it is. So this one is a HD transparent. So this one is an invisible HD transparent lace front wig, single knots natural weave. And I'm not even sure. I believe it's Brazilian. I'm not 100% sure, but I have the 180 22 inch. On these type of wigs, the length is pretty long compared to like regular bundled lengths. I don't know what the difference is or how they, you know, measure it or whatever. So this 22 inches, this hair falls really nice, and I actually kind of did over bleach the knots like a little bit, but I feel like with the powder that I put and everything, like you cannot even tell. Once I put the powder down, it just makes it like melt in so nicely, and I feel like probably where it is a little bit over bleached, it kind of just makes it look more plucked. Like, I don't know, I think it looks really good. It's like slightly over bleached, but not too much. And I just think this is great because you can take the wig off and on, and you don't have to sleep in it or anything like that. But yeah, so yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so this is how the wig looks whenever you put it on your head. You can see that the lace is definitely HD. It's popping. So this is how the inside of the wig looks. You have this strap in the back, which is great for doing the glueless method, and you also have one at the bottom like all wigs usually have. So I did tighten up that really thick elastic strap, and I also did tighten up the bottom, so that way the wig can fit nice and snug and we don't have to glue it down. So what I'm doing is I'm just pulling the lace out to get everything to lay nice and flat against my skin, so you can see how it looks, and it definitely gives that HD appearance. I did over bleach my knots a little bit, but it's really hard to kind of even tell because it's not really that bad. That's why I didn't go back in and try to correct it, because I didn't want to ruin my lace or anything. So I'm just figuring out how I want to wear the hair, you know, like a little flip over type method. But I did go ahead and put a part in it. As you can see here, there is a track showing, so the hair goes further back in the center, and on the sides it is cut off by tracks, of course. So that is how this wig is made. But the lace is just so amazing. Like, I love how this lace just really melts, and the hair is knotted on very thinly. Like, it's not really big knots of hair, so I feel like that makes it look natural as well. So now I'm just sectioning out some hair and pulling it down to leave some baby hair out. And I did kind of go back in and change it just a bit from what I did here of what I was showing you. I just added like an extra little piece and whatever. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just plucking the area so that it can be nice and thin, because baby hairs don't need to be super thick. I mean, some people are naturally blessed with super thick baby hairs, but for the most part your baby hairs are more wispy and a little bit thinner. So you want to just thin it out a little bit just to make it look a little bit more natural. And as you can see, it just lays seamlessly. And I'm just using some Eco Styler gel to do this, and I'm also leaving out a little section for a sideburn in front of my ear, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut this down as well to get it to kind of lay into place. I am going to use a little bit of Eco Styling gel. On this part, you can definitely use some Got To Be glue gel or the spray to go ahead and lay this piece into place, because the side tabs just don't really lay down well. As you can see, I'm just putting a little bit of Eco Styler gel just to kind of make this piece of hair mold in the direction that I want it to, but it's not going to lay the lace down whatsoever, because Eco Styling gel is just not it if that's what you're trying to do with it. So yeah, you may want to spray it down so that your little tab doesn't flap up, but I didn't have any problems with it doing it completely glueless. So now I'm going in and spraying my hair down with water, and then I'm going to also leave or put some leave-in conditioner into the hair. I don't know why I make these faces when I am spraying my hair down. I guess because it's wet and it's cold and I'm not trying to get it like all of my face. But yeah, this leave-in conditioner is really good. It's by Style Factor. I love it, and it's called Wig Out if you're looking for it. I believe they sell it in some beauty supply stores and everything. So I'm just kind of scrunching the hair up just to get the wave to pop really nicely. And then I'm going to go back in and I just fixed up my baby hairs, and you want to let the hair air dry. And then I'm kind of, you know, teasing it a little bit so I can get that nice little hump effect that I like for like a little flip over type action. So yeah. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really like this hair. I like the way it came out. I love that it's glueless and all of that. So yeah. Bye guys.